Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here. When it comes to pricing, Charles Schwab positions itself as a low-cost, mainstream brokerage designed to remove most visible trading friction for everyday investors. Listed US stocks and ETFs trade with zero online commissions, which immediately puts Schwab in the same pricing league as most modern discount brokers. Options trading also carries no base commission, but there is a per-contract fee that applies on each trade, which becomes noticeable for active options traders scaling volume. Mutual funds through Schwab's OneSource platform can be traded without transaction fees, while non-participating mutual funds may incur purchase charges. Bonds and treasuries are generally commission-free online, with pricing built into the spread rather than shown up front, which simplifies execution but reduces transparency for more advanced traders. Futures and futures options are available, but priced per contract, making Schwab usable for derivatives, though not aggressively priced for high-frequency trading. Account-level costs are where Schwab becomes particularly appealing. There are no account opening fees, no maintenance fees, and no minimum balance requirements across most brokerage and retirement accounts. This makes Schwab extremely accessible for beginners, long-term investors, and retirement savers who want flexibility without worrying about penalties or inactivity charges. For managed investing, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios offers automated portfolio management with no advisory fee, though a cash allocation is required, which indirectly affects returns. Premium advisory services introduce percentage-based management fees and higher minimums, clearly separating self-directed investors from wealth management clients. Feature-wise, Schwab delivers a broad, all-in-one investing ecosystem. Users get access to stocks, ETFs, options, mutual funds, bonds, treasuries, CDS, futures, and international markets from a single account. Research tools include market insights, screeners, earnings data, portfolio analytics, and third-party research integrations that cater well to fundamental investors. Schwab's trading platforms are stable and beginner-friendly, focusing more on reliability and clarity than aggressive customization. Mobile and desktop experiences are clean and consistent, with strong customer service backing through phone, chat, and branch access, which still matters to many investors. The strengths of Charles Schwab are clear. Pricing is simple, predictable, and beginner-friendly. There are no hidden account fees, no pressure to maintain balances, and excellent support infrastructure. Schwab excels as a long-term investing hub, retirement platform, and diversified portfolio manager. However, there are trade-offs. Active traders may find options and futures pricing less competitive than specialist platforms. Advanced charting, automation, and strategy testing tools are more limited compared to professional-grade trading platforms. Execution speed and customization are solid, but not designed for high-frequency or systematic trading. Schwab is optimized for stability and breadth, making it ideal for investors who value consistency, trust, and long-term portfolio management over short-term trading edge, especially those focused on wealth building rather than rapid trade execution.
eToro takes a different approach to pricing by combining traditional investing, social trading, crypto, CFDs, and copy trading into a single ecosystem. Account opening and management are free, but several transactional and behavioral fees apply. Withdrawals from USD investment accounts carry a fixed fee, while GBP and EUR withdrawals to external accounts can be free depending on region. An inactivity fee applies after extended periods without logging in, making eToro less forgiving for buy-and-forget investors. Currency conversion fees may also apply when trading assets denominated in a different currency, although club members may receive discounts or temporary fee waivers depending on tier and promotion period. Stock pricing on eToro is region dependent. In many regions, opening and closing stock positions incur a small fixed commission per trade, while ETFs typically trade with zero commission. These fees are clearly displayed before execution and do not apply to copy trading or smart portfolio investments. ETF investing remains relatively cost efficient, with no custody or overnight fees unless leverage is used. Crypto trading uses a clear, open and close commission, while spreads reflect market conditions rather than hidden platform markups. CFD trading introduces a separate cost structure. CFDs on stocks, indices, commodities, forex and crypto incur spreads and overnight financing fees, which can add up quickly for leveraged or long-term positions. Futures trading, currently available in limited regions and beta phases, uses fixed per contract pricing on micro futures, with fees charged on both open and close. These costs are transparently listed, though availability depends on jurisdiction. Feature-wise, eToro's standout strength is social and copy trading. Users can automatically mirror other investors' trades or invest in diversified, smart portfolios built around themes, sectors, or strategies. The platform supports stocks, ETFs, crypto, CFDs, and futures from a single interface, appealing to users who want multi-asset exposure without managing multiple platforms. The interface is simplified and beginner-friendly, prioritizing ease of use over advanced charting or deep technical analysis. Educational content, market commentary, and community interaction are built directly into the platform, reinforcing its social-first design. eToro's strengths are accessibility and community-driven investing. It lowers the barrier to entry for beginners, simplifies diversification, and enables passive participation through copy trading. The drawbacks are important to consider. Inactivity fees can penalize hands-off investors. Currency conversion fees can quietly add friction, and advanced traders may find charting, order, control, and analytics limited compared to specialist platforms. CFD spreads and overnight fees also make leveraged trading expensive if not actively managed. Looking at third-party sentiment, Charles Schwab holds a 1.6 out of 5 Trustpilot rating based on 646 reviews, with complaints largely focused on customer service, account transitions, and administrative issues rather than core investing tools. eToro holds a significantly stronger 4.2 out of 5 rating based on nearly 30,000 reviews, with users frequently praising ease of use, social investing features, and accessibility. As always, Trustpilot ratings should be treated as directional sentiment indicators, since reviews tend to skew toward extreme experiences rather than average long-term usage. Final takeaway: if your priority is long-term investing, retirement planning, and predictable low-fee execution with institutional stability, Charles Schwab is the better fit. If you want multi-asset exposure, social and copy trading, and a beginner-friendly way to invest across stocks, ETFs, crypto, and CFDs, eToro offers a more interactive and accessible experience. If this breakdown helps clarify which platform fits your investing style, hit like, subscribe for more honest comparisons, and click the link below to explore the platform that aligns with your strategy, risk tolerance, and long-term goals.